Hey guys, just wanted to go over a few things with you. Hopefully yesterday you were able to download our book that we're reading, The Watsons Go to Birmingham 1963, and I talked to a lot of you on the meet and you were able to do this. I did have some questions, so I wanted to post this today fresh. I also have it in the directions from yesterday on the video that I did. But I want to make sure that if you are reading this book that you can follow along with the audio. LeVar Burton, who's from Reading Rainbow, he read this book and it's divided into 4 sections. So this week we're going to do the first section, the first fourth of the book that's actually only pages 1 through 35. Don't go any further than that. Um, and if you read this on Wednesdays, usually we'll have a discussion post. So if you can have it read by Wednesday at some point, and then you could do your discussion post. And then Thursdays, we're actually going to set up a Google Meet time, and I'm going to divide everybody into 4 different groups. And we're going to meet and talk about the book. So if you can finish up this book by Wednesday, not the book, don't read the whole book, just the section, which is 1 through 35. That would be awesome. So if you look at my screen here and look at the resources, if you go to our page for today, Tuesday, and you see these resources, really the one I want to focus on is if you click on this and you have this as far as a student view I'm in, you'll see this. If you hit play on this, it will play this first section. You'll see disc 1 is part 1. And that goes through page 35. But if you do this and extend out right here, the pop out button, when you do this, it'll say something about zip extractor. But if you go right here, this button here will allow you to download that to your computer. And you want to download this file so that you have it available on your computer or your device. You save it the way it is. Once you've done that, and I have already done this, but once I save it to my desktop, I will have it. And once, if you could see, once you have this, when you open it up, it is easier. I do want to replace it. I will say it's easier for you to choose what part of the book you're at. Because if you just do it from here, it really kind of skips back to the original part of it. But once you download this and have it in a file here, you could see, okay, I can go 17 minutes, 53 seconds in. I can move. At least on my computer, the original download of that doesn't work. So why is this important? Because really, if you can listen to the audio while you're reading the book, a lot of the slang and the dialect, it's just easier to understand. And for me, I know I like it, and I just follow along with the PDF. I think it's easier to understand the book that way. So you can do the same thing, and when you go to the resources for the PDF, some of you will just go to this point and read from here every time, but you can actually pop this out and download it and save it to your device if you haven't already here. And this is the actual book. So try to have this read by Wednesday, and then we'll do a discussion post. And then on Thursday, we're going to have in groups, we're going to have a discussion actually on our Meet, our Google Meet. So have fun reading.